Hi, I will show you how to repair leaks for Saeco Minuto. Where are the leaks? The leaks are, let me show you. I have one leak from this connection here. You can see the water. I have leak from this connection here. It's a plastic piece like this, and I believe it's broken. I will replace it. And also I have leak from this connection here on the boiler of the machine, and I will try to make coffee so I can show you probably when the pressure is up to see what's happened. You can see it's big leak from this plastic here. It's the biggest leak, so I will stop. It doesn't matter anymore. So I will show you how to reach these parts here, what you can do. So I have a video how to replace the display and clean the dispenser, so you will know how to remove the top of the machine. Next, and I will show you how I have a spare sensor for the water flow, water level, and that's why I don't need the top of the machine. Let me show you. And here is this sensor, but it's glue, and I have a spare sensor, so I can test the machine when it's open. And I have a hose, and here I have water. So we turn off the machine from the electricity. We remove the hoses, the drip tray I have to remove, and from here the brew group. You have to remove the dispenser. You have a screw here, and you have one screw there, so you can remove the dispenser. I remove the screws before I start the video. So sometimes, see, the screws are black, and the plastic is black, and it's very difficult to see the screw. But if something doesn't move, you look for a screw or something else. So now I will remove the door, and now from this side you have one screw here, one screw here, one screw here to remove. You have one screw here, maybe. I don't remember if it was a screw here, and you have one screw on the front of the machine here. And then you can, let me just show you just for a second. You can take, oh, and something else, the cable. You need to remove it, and you can lift the chassis, and you have this part here you don't need. You can see the water here, right? And now we have access to this part and this here, So first, I have a second-hand hoses. If you can buy a new one, it's okay. But this hose, Saeco is selling 1 meter, and it's not cheap. So if you have good pieces of hose, you can use a second-hand, because here you can see it's a very short hose, and if I cut, because I need the new clamps to be on the fresh part of the hose. If I cut 1 centimeter from the both sides, it's too short, so I have to replace it with different hose. And here, because it's a longer hose, I will replace the clamp and cut 1 centimeter from the end of the hose, so the new clamp is on the fresh part of the hose and doesn't have a leak. So first I will, and this is the clamp, is 9.5 millimeters when it's open. When you squeeze it and close the clamp, is 8.7 millimeters, I think, the diameter. And these clamps are very expensive if you buy it from Saeco. I buy these clamps 100 pieces from AliExpress for $15 with the shipment, and 1 clamp is 15 cents, so it's very good price. So now we need to remove these two here and here. Just for a second. Okay. So you can see the water here. First I will remove like this, and the other one, let me see if it's broken. I don't see if it's broken, but I will replace this piece here, because I better be sure than after putting back together to understand that this is broken. So I will replace this, and here, whoops, just for a second here. Now I remove the used clamps. I take this. I need the same. I use a knife just for a second. Here. So see, the same length. And I take the new clamp, put it on the hose. Here you can clean. This is clean. I put the hose inside like this, and you can feel where is the end of the connector. It's here, so I can put the clamp here, not on the top right next to this sphere here. So I will do it like this. I take the pliers, I squeeze, and we have the connection. And I will do everything else. And when you put this here, I will try. This is the new one. I'm going to see what how it's going here, so it's not twisting the hose. It's to be like in a free position, not tension with tension on the hose. So this is very important. So you know how to open and how to remove the clamps. If you reuse your hose, you need to cut at least 1 centimeter from the end of the hose, because here you can see the hose is damaged, and if you put the clamp back, you can see how it's deformed. You risk to have leaks from here. So this is how to repair leaks on the newest models of Saeco. Bye.